Hello, dear traders. You are watching economic news with me, Tahmina Salomova. Crude oil is trading slightly higher today. Weakness of the US dollar is mirrored in the oil market. Market participants are braced for consequences of the US sanctions against Iran in the short term. Investors expect lower oil supplies in November as the US sanctions against Iran are coming into force in that month. France energy giant Total, which is also the largest buyer of the Iranian oil in Europe, announced its decision to suspend oil supplies, complying with the request for Washington. However, China has indicated that it will continue to buy the Iranian oil and slash oil supplies from the US. Such uncertainty puts pressure on the Brent benchmark rate. Brent futures are trading at around $72 40 cents a barrel. The US crude oil is gradually heading upward to $67 a barrel. Experts assume this level to be breached by the end of the trading day. Market participants hope to find out evidence for a decline in the US oil inventories in a weekly update from the American Petroleum Institute. Remarkably, commodity currencies are making efforts to gain ground against the US dollar today. The Russian ruble is unwilling to give in to its American counterpart, despite some bearish factors for the Russian currency.
The Bank of Russia resumed Forex interventions, the market showed a muted response to this news. The ruble does not benefit much from this move, as Donald Trump stated on what conditions the sanctions could be cancelled. The thing is that the Bank of Russia buys small volumes of foreign currencies on a daily basis. Besides, the conditions set out by Donald Trump will hardly be fulfilled. So both pieces of news cannot make a serious impact on the market. Thus, the dollar-ruble pair is set to trade further in a range from 66.50 to 67.00.
The pending minutes of the latest policy meeting of the rate-setting committee in August is certainly a market-moving event for the dollar-ruble pair. In this context, the ruble could lose its gains when the Moscow exchange finishes its trade tomorrow. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Forex TV channel.